Hey everybody, Robert here in Las Vegas, Nevada, MGM Grand. Today, we're on the 19th floor, room 109. As I'm moving closer to the window, you can see the view we're going to have for the next 3 days. So you can see the MGM Grand on this side. This is where I was the last time, over there. I don't like to point. Over there, but on the other side of the building. Because we are able to see the new baseball stadium that they're building. Out here you can see the New York right in front. This time you could see it. Okay, we're back. Battery started going dead. Had to hook it up to one of these power banks. I usually carry two of these. So where I was, we were standing over here, looking at the showcase parking structure and the area hotel, which is all that, the silver, the yellow, and it's in a shape of it looks like a W the way they're building it. All the gray buildings, that's the Cosmopolitan. That's been around for a long time. And then we have the Polo Towers. That's next door over here. It's like this whole section is just like all built around the same time. And I'm in the room. That's what I'm talking about. Now this is the same room I had the last time, so you guys could take a better look, because this time the sun's coming in and it's lightening up so you can see what it looks like. Got some cool signage, some paint. Check out the walls. Got the sitting area here. You have like the chairs, the table. You got a sitting room up against the window, so you could kick back up there. Lamp, phone over there. You have more countertop up here. TV, which I'll probably be watching a movie. That's what I like to do. And let's go over here. We have the door to the other room and the door that goes out. The last time, I don't think I showed you the bathroom. Well, I gotta wait. I'm gonna show you guys later, but you can take a look in here. Because if I go in there, you'll see what I look like, and I'm trying to keep that a secret. It's all part about the channel. Got a mirror up here. You got a shower. The toilet's back over in that little cubby hole. And this is called the King View Strip. That's what because it comes with a king size bed, and you get the view of the strip. So for now, I'm gonna go. I ordered room service. When we get room service, I will show you before I eat the food how they deliver it. I probably won't film the person delivering it, but you'll be able to see what the food looks like before I eat it this time. Yeah, so this is what we're going to be doing. Okay, here we go. It's dinner time. We have filet mignon, medium well. The mashed potatoes, their choice. This is a wine sauce for the filet mignon. We have mixed vegetables, which is extra, by the way. She hooked me up with 2 plates of vegetables. I always get asparagus, and this is the bomb asparagus. It's totally cooked perfect. We have condiments. Plasticware. We have the rolls, fresh bread, and this is really good. 4 Cokes and freshly squoze orange juice, not bottled. I wanted to have it freshly squozen. She brought me a bucket of ice, which is first. That's the first time everybody's brought me a bucket of ice. I usually have to go get it myself, and it usually goes in this thing in here. One of those. So this is dinner for tonight, and as you can see, this is a lot of food. For me, it's a lot of food. I gotta take my meds. I haven't had a chance to take them because I've been up all night. So this is what I always get the first night that we're here. It's the bomb. And this is gonna last like all night. It's a lot of food. It's really rich. So, you have the black bag. That's what they bring it in. And then you put all the lids in there. And it's cool. They'll pick it up, take it away. And everything gets thrown away based on COVID. That's why they switched to the bag and these containers like this. Because before it used to be metal containers with porcelain plates. And they used to bring it to you and sit it to you up on a table. They don't do that anymore. And so that's what they do. But I got to get some food in me. This is the first meal. Nighttime dinner. Good evening, everyone. It's probably 8 o'clock. I don't want to look. I'm having too good of a time. So I'm not going to look. It doesn't matter what time it is. It's called Let's Look Out the Window time. So we're nighttime here in Las Vegas. This is what is out the window that we get to see at night. That is awesomeness. It's not quite dark, but you guys get the idea. And check out the MGM Grand. You got New York right in front of us. Park MGM. It's totally nice. So I just thought I'd show you a good what it looks like at night from our window. Day 2. You can't really see the strip from here, but they call it a strip. And that's just the location of the building wing. Clouds out there. It's about 1:45 in the afternoon. There's the sunset for tonight. Almost looks like storm clouds.